CMT offers a wide range of motion control and power transmission components. Now you can download 3D CAD files of their popular products right from the website. From the homepage, go to CAD Models. From here, navigate to the specific product type and series you need. In the Configurator window, use the drop-down options to customize the product to meet your design needs. Meanwhile, the Configurator generates an accurate 3D part number for your product. On the right, you see an interactive 3D preview of the product you configured. This window offers a wide range of views, so you can see the critical dimensions and up-close details. When you're happy with the product, click Download CAD, and then click Add Formats. Here you can browse from over 100 file formats and versions, so you get a file that works in your CAD software. You can also choose a file format by category, or by typing the name of the CAD system into the search bar. Next, click Start Generation, and your CAD model will be ready to download within seconds. You can also generate a custom PDF datasheet. These files include an interactive 3D viewer, product specs, technical data, and more. This is great for those who need to access the product information but don't need a large CAD file. For more great products, go to cmtco.com and visit 3dfindit.com to learn more about online solutions for industrial manufacturers.